Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed lower on Monday, pressured by shares in transportation, banks, and automobiles and component sectors. On the economic docket, the Empire Manufacturing Index that rose to 10.1 in April from 3.7 in March. This as 61% of SP500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, AT&T announcing the sale of its 9.5% stake in Hulu back to the streaming video joint venture for $1.43 billion. Alphabet issuing a first quarter earnings update stating that we will report a separate operating expense line for the $1.7 billion charge by the European Commission on the income statement. Therefore, the charge will reduce our GAAP operating income, GAAP net income, and GAAP EPS by the full amount. Turning overseas, Asian markets up today. The Nikkei up 0.24%. The Hang Seng up 1.07%. China CSI 300 up 2.77%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.26%. European markets mixed and U.S. futures calling for a slightly positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Johnson & Johnson, BlackRock, Bank of America, United Health Group, Netflix, and IBM all due out. While on the economic docket, 9:15 in the morning, we have March industrial production. 10 o'clock in the morning, the NAHB housing market index. Now, over in the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside and is also in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 29.0650 are favored with targets at 29.2275 and 29.2675 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees further advance while the Dow Jones sees further advance as well.